At the end of this video, you will be able to apply color to alternate rows like this or to columns like this. So let's get started. First, select the cells where you want to apply the alternate row colors. Now, click the conditional formatting in the Home tab and select the New Rule option. Select Use a formula to determine which cells to format option. We need to enter this formula in the Edit Rule description section. Here, the row function returns the row number of the cell and the mod function returns the remainder after the division of one number by another. Overall, this formula returns true for the cells in the even numbered rows like row number 2, 4, 6 and so on. Now click on the Format button to set the formatting. Since we want alternate colors, click on the Fill tab and select the background color you want. Close both of the windows by clicking the OK button. Now all the even numbered rows are having the background color we just set. If you want to apply the background color to the odd numbered rows like row number 1, 3, 5 and so on, replace 0 with 1 in the formula. Now all the odd numbered rows have different background colors. If you want to apply different colors for even and odd rows like this, we need to create two rules, one for even numbered rows and another for odd numbered rows. We need to replace the row function with the column function in the formula to apply the formatting to columns instead of rows. The column function returns the column number of the cell. The rest of the process remains the same. As you can see, all the even numbered columns are now having the background color that we just set. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.